What lurks in the deepest, darkest corners of our planet? Forget haunted houses or spooky forests. The real abyss, the true unknown, lies thousands of feet beneath the waves, on the ocean floor. Down there, sunlight is just a memory, the pressure is crushing, and the inhabitants, well, they're the stuff of nightmares and sci-fi movies. Today, we're diving deep to meet the real-life monsters of the abyss. So grab your virtual submarine, and let's explore the crushing blackness together. First up, let's talk about a classic, the anglerfish. You've probably seen it in cartoons, but the real deal is even more bizarre. Imagine a pitch-black world where the only light you see is a tiny, dangling lure, bobbing hypnotically. You swim closer, curious, thinking it's a small meal. Then, in a flash, a cavernous mouth full of needle-sharp, transparent teeth snaps shut around you. That's the anglerfish's game. Only the females have this bioluminescent fishing rod, a glowing esca filled with symbiotic bacteria. The males are tiny, almost pathetic in comparison. Their only goal in life is to find a female, latch on, and fuse with her body, becoming little more than a permanent sperm bank. Talk about a committed relationship. It's a brutal, efficient, and frankly terrifying way to survive in the endless dark. Now, let's move from a lone hunter to a true titan of the deep, the giant squid. For centuries, sailors told tales of colossal kraken pulling ships to their doom. While that's an exaggeration, the reality is no less awe-inspiring. Growing up to 43 feet long, the giant squid is a legitimate sea monster. It has the largest eyes of any animal on Earth, the size of dinner plates, designed to capture the faintest glimmers of bioluminescence in the deep. Its 8 arms and to longer feeding tentacles are lined with powerful suckers, each ringed with sharp, chitinous teeth. We rarely see them alive, mostly finding them washed ashore or in the stomachs of their only known predator, the sperm whale. The epic battles between these two giants, fought thousands of feet down, are among the most dramatic events in the natural world, a true clash of titans written in scars on whale skin. Speaking of giants, let's meet the giant isopod. Imagine a roly-poly, or a woodlouse, from your garden. Now, imagine it supersized to be over a foot long and weighing several pounds. That's a giant isopod. These armored scavengers crawl along the abyssal plains, like deep-sea vultures. They are masters of patience. Food is scarce down there, so when a large meal, like a dead whale or a giant squid, finally sinks to the bottom, it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. They will gorge themselves until they can barely move. Because their next meal could be months, or even years, away, they have an incredibly slow metabolism. In fact, one in captivity famously went over 5 years without eating. They look like prehistoric aliens, slowly and deliberately patrolling the seabed, a reminder that in the deep, survival means taking every opportunity you get. Next, let's venture into the midnight zone to find a fish with a truly unique and slightly horrifying feature, the fangtooth. Its name says it all. Relative to its body size, the fangtooth has the largest teeth of any fish in the ocean. They are so long that the fish can't even close its mouth completely. To avoid impaling its own brain, it has special sockets in the roof of its mouth where the lower fangs slide in. Despite its menacing appearance, the fangtooth is actually quite small, usually only about 6 inches long. But in the deep, size doesn't always matter. It's a relentless predator, bumping into things in the dark and snapping at anything it touches. The immense pressure at these depths doesn't bother it. It's built for this hostile world, a tiny, bulldog-like monster of the abyss. Now, let me introduce you to a creature that seems to have swum straight out of a horror film, the goblin shark. This is arguably one of the weirdest sharks in the world. It has a long, flattened snout that looks like a blade, and its skin is a ghostly pinkish-gray color because its blood vessels are visible. But its most terrifying feature is its jaw. When it detects prey, its entire jaw structure catapults forward from its head, almost like the second mouth from the alien in the movies, to snatch its meal. This slingshot jaw allows it to catch agile fish and squid from a distance. It's a living fossil, the last remaining member of a 125-million-year-old family of sharks. Seeing a goblin shark in action is a rare and unsettling sight, a glimpse into a primordial, alien form of predation. But not all deep-sea monsters are hunters. Some are just plain strange. Take the blobfish. Voted the world's ugliest animal, the blobfish gets a bad rap. In its natural habitat, thousands of feet down, the immense pressure gives its gelatinous, boneless body structure. It looks like a normal, albeit grumpy, fish. It is only when we drag it up to the surface that the rapid depressurization turns it into the saggy, droopy nose mean we all know. Down below, its body, which is just slightly less dense than water, allows it to float effortlessly above the seafloor, gobbling up any edible matter that drifts by. It's a master of energy conservation, a strategy that's key to survival in the food-scarce deep. So, let's give the blobfish a break. It's not ugly, it's just perfectly adapted to an extreme environment. Let's not forget the silent, ghostly predators. The vampire squid is not a true squid, nor is it a true octopus. It's in its own unique order, and its name, Vampirodithus infernalis, literally means vampire squid from hell. But it doesn't drink blood. It gets its name from its dark, cloak-like webbing that connects its 8 arms. When threatened, it doesn't squirt ink. Instead, it pulls this web cloak over its body, turning itself inside out and exposing spiny projections called cirri. Its most incredible defense is its ability to release a cloud of glowing, sticky mucus. This bioluminescent smoke screen can dazzle a predator for several minutes, giving the vampire squid time to escape into the darkness. It's a master of illusion and misdirection in a world with no place to hide. Finally, we have to talk about the trenches, the deepest parts of the ocean. Down in the Mariana Trench, you'll find creatures like the Mariana snailfish. This little, tadpole-like fish is the undisputed king of the deep. It thrives at depths of nearly 26,000 feet, where the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, equivalent to having an elephant stand on your thumbnail. How does it survive? Instead of fighting the pressure, it embraces it. Its body contains no air spaces that would be crushed. Its bones are flexible cartilage, and its cells are packed with special molecules called piezoids that protect its proteins from being distorted by the extreme pressure. The Mariana snailfish shows us that even in the most hostile, seemingly uninhabitable places on Earth, life doesn't just survive, it flourishes. These creatures, from the luring anglerfish to the pressure-proof snailfish, are not monsters in the traditional sense. They are survivors. They are masterpieces of evolution, each one perfectly sculpted by the extreme conditions of the deep sea. They challenge our understanding of what is possible for life and remind us that our planet still holds profound mysteries. We have explored more of the surface of the moon than we have our own ocean floor. Who knows what other incredible, bizarre, and monstrously beautiful creatures are still waiting to be discovered in the eternal night of the abyss. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. If you were fascinated by these incredible animals, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. Let me know in the comments which deep-sea creature you find the most amazing. See you next time.